Data science is an exciting and rapidly growing field that combines statistical analysis, machine learning, and domain expertise to extract meaningful insights from data. For beginners, it can seem like a vast and complex discipline, but breaking it down into fundamental concepts can make it more approachable. At its core, data science involves collecting, cleaning, and analyzing data to uncover patterns and trends that can inform decision-making. It requires a blend of skills, including programming, mathematics, and critical thinking. One of the first steps in data science is understanding the problem you want to solve and identifying the data needed to address it. This often involves gathering data from various sources, such as databases, APIs, or web scraping. Once the data is collected, it's crucial to clean and pre-process it, which may involve handling missing values, removing duplicates, and transforming data types to ensure consistency and accuracy. With clean data in hand, the next phase is exploratory data analysis, EDA, where you delve into the data to understand its structure and characteristics. This step often involves visualizing data through graphs and charts to identify patterns, outliers, and relationships between variables. EDA is a critical step, as it can guide the selection of appropriate models and techniques for further analysis. Data science also heavily relies on statistical methods and machine learning algorithms to make predictions or classify data. Beginners should familiarize themselves with basic algorithms such as linear regression, decision trees, and clustering techniques. Understanding the strengths and limitations of each algorithm is essential for selecting the right tool for the task at hand. Finally, communication is a vital aspect of data science. Being able to convey your findings clearly and effectively to stakeholders who may not have a technical background is crucial. This can involve creating dashboards, writing reports, or delivering presentations that highlight the actionable insights derived from the data analysis. In summary, data science is a multidisciplinary field that requires a combination of technical skills and domain knowledge. By starting with the basics and gradually building expertise in data manipulation, statistical analysis, and machine learning, beginners can unlock the potential of data to drive informed decisions and innovation.